Stop scrolling for a second. What if I told you that how you handle pocket change is a perfect preview of how you'll handle a fortune? It sounds crazy, right? But it's true. Money doesn't magically transform us. It just cranks up the volume on who we already are. Think of it this way. That generous impulse you have to help a friend with $5, it's the same impulse that might lead you to donate generously to charity when you have more. That tendency to hoard every penny, it will probably mean you're hesitant to invest, even when it could benefit you. It all starts small. Here's the mind-blowing part. The way someone manages a small amount, say $100, is like a miniature version of how they'll handle $100,000. The patterns are there, just scaled down. This isn't about the amount of money. It's about the behavior around it. Are you careful and considered with small purchases, or do you impulse buy?
Do you save a little from each small win, or does it all disappear without you even noticing? These are the clues to your future financial success or struggles. So, what does this mean for you? Take a hard look at how you currently manage small sums. Are you proud of those habits? If not, now is the time to change them. Before the stakes get higher, cultivate the behaviors you want to see amplified when you're managing larger amounts. It's like planting seeds for a financial future you actually want. And here's the big question. What small money habits are secretly shaping your financial destiny? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments if you're ready to keep uncovering the hidden truths behind money and wealth. Make sure you join our community of curious minds.